One was the Prince of Newfoundland, the other the Prince of Wales, down along the coast of the High Barbary. Aloft there, aloft, our jolly boxing cries, go high, go low, so say we. Look ahead and look astern, the weather and the lee, down along the coast of the High Barbary. Well, there's nought upon our stern, there's nought upon our lee. Go high, go low, so sail we. 'Tis a lofty ship a windward, she's sailing fast and free, down along the coast of the High Barbary. Oh hailor, our gallant captain cried, go high, go low, so sail we. Are you a man of war or an American privateer? I'm free, down along the coast of the High Barbary. Oh, I am no man of war, no privateer, says she. Go high, go low, so sail we. But we are salty pirates and we're looking for our fun, sailing down along the coast of the High Barbary. It's all yours. Broadside, a long time we lay, go high, go low, so sail we, until the Prince of Luther shot the pirates